Looking for stuff to figure out how to get out of there.
It looks like his truck bed is full.
It is full.
Of what?
It looks like wood.
That sucks.
Everybody keeps on thinking they're gonna get over that hill.
How many people would get stuck in the fucking hills over there by the apartment?
All the time.
Ooh.
Yeah, he's got a chain. He's hoping somebody's gonna pull him out now.
Or maybe...
You don't have no winch.
Are you sure there's not? Well, I don't think there's a winch on the front. Does he look like somebody we should offer help? They can get one of their tractors and pull him off.
Easily, but they put that hump there to keep people from doing that.
I know.
And if they harm the truck with the tractor, they'll get sued, so they're not gonna touch that.
Why did it look like he